This is an 02 Ford Crown Victoria with a 4.6 liter V8. It has cylinder 7 and 8 Misfire. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that really quick, how to take off those and how to replace them. Come over here real quick. So these are cylinder 7 and 8 in the back. I've already removed them, but it's pretty simple how you remove them. You're going to go ahead and unplug this off the top of the boot, which is right here. Plugs in right there, right? And that's what plugs in. If you look right here, that's what plugs in on top of your spark plug, right? And that's what causes it to have the ignition, right? To remove that boot, you can see there's a screw right here, and that screw is located on the right side of the boot. You can see on every boot, it's right there on the right side, and then every single one of them has their own plugs. Simple as that. Make sure you have a spark plug changer.
Did you have to take anything off to get underneath there?
I had to remove on this side to get to 7 and 8, you have to remove the air intake, which is really simple. It's got these two tubes which are plugged into the back. You literally just pull them out, and on this one you just unscrew the clamp. It's just a flathead screwdriver. It's taken me about 4 minutes, and I've already taken off the other two. I've already put one new spark plug in, and I'm putting another one in right now. So here it goes. So these are the tools you're going to need for the project. You're going to need a 7mm socket wrench. You're definitely going to want an extension, or maybe if you have a screwdriver, you can put a socket on the top of it. And then you're going to need a 5/8 inch socket puller. Has the rubber grommet on the inside, which makes it easy to pull it out. Sticks inside when you get it loose. That's pretty much all you're going to need. A flathead screwdriver if you have trouble with the clips, or if you need to pull off the air intake. That's about as simple as it is. Guys, just finished it up on the 02 Crown Vic. Changed out the spark plugs on cylinder 7 and 8. Came out really easy, went in really easy. Took me less than 10 minutes probably. Running great, no more knocking or anything weird like that. So pretty easy fix. Message, comment, subscribe. Let us know if you have any questions.